In order to kick off the 2023 storm season in Texas, Daly Black, RSI, and Latinos in Roofing joined forces in order to provide as much value and education to contractors, roofers, and other storm restoration experts. We wanted to provide value, answer questions, and provide an opportunity for networking and sharing of ideas for all of us professionals working to restore policyholders.
Walking by your side keeps on repeating.
The event was a massive success. We had a great turnout. Everyone enjoyed themselves, learned something new, enjoyed great food, and hit some golf balls down the range. We hope to see you at the next one. Stay tuned.